Check the seam tracking data here. Looks good, right within spec. Lower it slowly, watch the left side. Yeah. Almost there. Hold it steady. Check the width here, looks good. Yep. Confirmed, 48.255. Easy, easy, hold it. Ugh. Back just a hair. All right, set it down. Almost there, watch that bracket. All right, great. Got it. Looks good, set it down. All right, bring it down slowly.
There, slowly.
Hold it there, push it left.
Yeah.
Seats are locked, send it home. All right, bring it down slowly now. Watch the alignment on the left.
Yep.
Okay, hold it right there, looks good. Hold it steady right there.
Yeah.
All right, next one's in.
Activating amber sequence now. Amber flashing confirmed. Switching to red flash. Red alternating sequence verified, system check complete.
The scan is complete. Warning systems show green. Yeah. All right, engine parameters are stable.
Verified amber sequence pass. Red lights and arms operational. Final compliance check complete. Measuring clearance now, 42 inches confirmed. Markings are clearly visible.
All right, apply service brakes now.
Brake force is holding steady at 25,500 pounds. Test complete.